Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Gillette Mach 3 is probably one of the most iconic and trusted names in shaving, and for good reason, as these razor blade refills are engineered to deliver a remarkably smooth and comfortable shave, minimizing irritation and nicks, making them a go-to choice for millions seeking a consistently close and clean finish every single time they reach for their razor. Number 5. Gillette Mach 3 Razor Blades for Men, 15 count. Experience a classic close shave with our 3-bladed razor. Its open blade architecture makes rinsing easy, giving you a comfortable shave without any fuss. Our improved lubrication strip provides extra glide for a smoother experience. It's designed to enhance your glide compared to previous versions. Get the most out of your refills. Each razor blade refill can provide up to 15 comfortable shaves. These blades are stronger than steel and stay sharper for longer. Enjoy a superior shave that lasts. For added protection and to minimize shaving irritation, pair it with Gillette Series Shaving Gel. It's the perfect combination for your routine. What we like. Experience a classic close shave with its open blade architecture for easy rinsing. The blades are stronger than steel, staying sharper for longer. If you're looking for a reliable and fuss-free shave that rinses easily, this is a great choice. What people say. The Mach 3 provides an incredibly close and smooth shave that I've struggled to find with many women's razors. The 3-blade system allows me to navigate tricky areas like knees and ankles effortlessly. The durability of these razor refills is also worth mentioning. They hold up well, even after multiple uses, making them a cost-effective choice. Number 4. Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men. Introducing Harry's Original Shaving Kit, designed for the modern man. This all-in-one set provides everything you need for a superior shave. Inside, you'll find a durable razor handle, 5-blade refills for long-lasting use, a foaming shave gel, and a protective travel cover. It's engineered for your face, ensuring a comfortable experience. Our 5-blade cartridges are designed to distribute pressure evenly, helping to protect your skin from nicks and irritation. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip. Experience a close shave with our foaming shave gel. Its aloe-enriched formula creates a rich lather that soothes and refreshes your skin, keeping you in control. Keep your blades safe and protected when you're on the go with the included travel blade cover. It ensures your razor is ready whenever you need it. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This shaving kit makes an excellent present for any man in your life. It's a practical and appreciated gift for any occasion. What we like. This kit offers a complete shaving experience with a German-engineered 5-blade razor, foaming shave gel, and a travel cover. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip. If you need an all-in-one solution for shaving on the go or a thoughtful gift, this kit is ideal. What people say. The blades are sharp and provide a close shave. The lubrication strip helps to reduce irritation. The pivoting head follows the contours of the face for a smooth shave. Number 3. Gillette Mach 3 Refill Blade Cartridges 8-pack. Experience the precision of our advanced steel blades. They are engineered for exceptional sharpness and durability, ensuring a superior shave every time. Enjoy a classic, smooth shave with our 3-blade system. It's designed to deliver comfort and closeness with every stroke. Our stronger-than-steel blades maintain their sharpness for extended use. This means you get a consistently great shave, pack after pack. Each blade is engineered to provide up to 15 comfortable shaves. Get more value and performance from your razor. This pack provides up to 8 months of shaving, based on average usage. Keep your favorite razor ready for action with this convenient supply. What we like. Get up to 15 shaves per blade, with blades engineered from precision-cut steel that stay sharper for longer. This pack provides up to 8 months of shaves. If you prioritize long-lasting sharpness and value in a bulk pack, these refills are an excellent option. What people say. The blades are sharp and provide a close shave. The lubrication strip helps to reduce irritation. The pivoting head follows the contours of the face for a smooth shave. Number 2. Gillette Mach 3 Blades 4. Introducing the Gillette Mach 3 blades. Experience a closer shave with our advanced blade technology. These razors feature blades that are stronger than steel. They are designed to stay sharper for longer periods. Compared to our Sensor 3 razors, you'll notice the difference in sharpness. Enjoy a superior shaving experience every time. Specifically engineered for men, these blades provide exceptional performance. Get the clean shave you deserve. The durability of these blades means they last longer. You can rely on them for consistent results, shave after shave. What we like. Featuring blades that are stronger than steel and stay sharper for longer. If your main concern is blade longevity and maintaining sharpness over time, these blades offer a durable shaving experience. What people say. The blades are sharp and provide a close shave. The lubrication strip helps to reduce irritation. The pivoting head follows the contours of the face for a smooth shave. Number 1. Gillette Mach 3 Blade Refills, 8 count. Get the best value with this 8-pack of Mach 3 blade refills. It's the perfect way to stock up and save. These blades are designed to fit your Mach 3, Turbo, and M3 power razors seamlessly. Enjoy a perfect shave every time. Rest assured, these are genuine blades made with the high-quality standards you expect from Gillette, manufactured in the EU. The packaging may differ from what you typically see in stores, but the product inside is exactly the same. Experience the same trusted quality you love, but at a much better price. It's a smart choice for your grooming needs. What we like. This is an 8-pack of blades offering much better value. They fit Mach 3, Turbo, and M3 power razors and are made in the EU. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to stock up on genuine blades that fit your existing Mach 3 system, this pack is a smart buy. What people say. Good blades and at a great price. Stock up and save. Packaged well. Everything works. Just what I needed. Smooth shaving. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.